Hi guys, I am going to make a vlog. Right now I am in the room. Now I am going outside from here to make the vlog. You could see this is the purse which is on the cooler. And this is the curtain and now I am going outside. You could see this is the bucket which is filled with the water. Suju is reading the newspaper. And here is the newspaper on the bed and this is the pillow. Now I am going on upstairs. Agastya, I am coming on upstairs making the vlog. Where are you? Now you could see Agastya is sitting here. Agastya is sitting here and having something. He is having the biscuit. You could see. Now he will try to come to me. Whenever I make vlogs, so he try to come to me and he tries to come to me. Now you could see my mother is giving me the biscuit. I have taken the biscuit. She is sitting here. You could see this is the blanket and you could see this is the bag which is on the box, and these are the clothes which are on the box. These are the books which are on the box. Now this is the light. As usual, I am going to turn off the light. I have turned off the light. Now I am going to turn on the light. I have turned on the light. Agastya has put on the cap. Yes. He's saying something to me. Now I'm searching to Pius. Where is Pius? Pius is not here. Now you could see water is dripping. Now you could see the water is dripping from the sweater. You could see water is dripping. You could see this is the clothes. These are the clothes which are hanging. And Sia, you could see water is dripping from the sweater. If you are capable to watch it properly. The water is dripping. Yes, water is dripping from here. Now Ankush has come. Where is Pius and Sia? Now Ankush has come. You could see. Ankush has come. Ankush has taken to Agastya and my mother is saying something to him. He is replying to her. And now I am going to show something else. Now you could see this is the water which is filled. This is that drum. I don't know the meaning of this one. This is the drum which is filled with the water. Now I am going, and this is the bucket which is empty. And I could say Ankush is playing with Agastya. Agastya is hiding himself. Both are playing and Agastya is hiding himself. Agastya, why are you hiding himself? He is talking with Ankush. He is playing and now Ganesh Bhaiya is saying something to someone. Where is he? I am searching. I am not capable to see him. Now I am going here to see. Now you could see Sia is there. Hey Sia! Sia is coming, taking the pichkari in her hand. Since tomorrow will be Diwali, Holi, sorry. So she has purchased. Now you could see Pius is also coming, taking something in his hand. So now I am going to make the remaining vlog downstairs. So now I am going downstairs. Now you could see Ankush is giving the balloon to Agastya. Agastya will play with it. Now I am going downstairs to make the remaining vlog. You could see these are the shoes. This is the slipper sandal. This is the sandal. I am going downstairs. Piyush, Sia. Now you could see Sia is having the chips. Sia. Since many days she has been ill. Now you could see she is not well right now. But now she is having something. Sia, show your face. Very good. I have. Now I am going outside to see to Piyush. Where is Piyush? Where is Piyush? Now you could see Ganesh Bhaiya is sitting in the auto. I am going to make the vlog of Piyush. Piyush is here. Piyush is having the chips. Piyush, what are you eating?
Chips.
I am eating the.
I am eating the chips.
This is the auto of my uncle's, and Piyush is sitting into it. And while sitting, he is having the chips. Having, eating, both are same. दोनों ही same है. Now I am going inside the room. You could see these are the slippers. Now I am going inside, and you could see this is the pichkari. Which has been who has bought by Ganesh Bhaiya. You could see Suju is drinking the water. Ganesh Bhaiya is sleeping. Father is also here. He is also sleeping. They are talking. Since they are about to go to home, now you could see my mother is talking with father. Piyush is going on upstairs. Now they are about to go to the village to attend the marriage ceremony. Within 3 months. Now once again I am going on upstairs. My mother is going downstairs. She is talking. And you could see Agastya is sitting. And he is smiling. He is screaming. You could listen him. And Piyush is sitting here and talking with his grandmother. Now my mother is going downstairs. My mother is going to take. Now he has taken to Piyush into his lap, her lap. But Piyush is happy, so he put him down. And now Piyush is going downstairs by himself. You could see Ankush is also going downstairs. Now he jumped. You could see. Yes. Oh, Agastya is playing with the balloon. He has used the balloon into his cap and he is solving me. Agastya, what are you doing? What are you doing, Agastya? Now Agastya is taking the biscuit into his hand. Now coming to me. He is showing me that I have used it. What is it? What is it? What is it? Take it. And now I have given the balloon to him. Now Agastya is giving me the biscuit. I have taken the biscuit. Agastya has given me biscuit. Agastya! Now he is playing with the balloon. Take it. Have it. Have it. Have it. Take your... Okay. Whatever situation you have, you just try to speak on that situation. This is called the English. While speaking, you could also grab a lot of things. You could learn a lot of things. So you should try to utilize your time. So thank you guys for watching this blog, and start liking the video, start subscribing my channel so that it could grow. Thank you.